Now let's see how to add images. There are two different types of images that you can add in Canva: photographs and icons. Let's start by adding photos. Photos are easy to add in Canva. Start by clicking the Photos option in the left-hand menu to open the Photo panel. Canva has a built-in search that lets you find and add photos easily. To find a photo, just search by keyword. You might notice that some of the images have crown icons in the corner. You'll see this in a lot of places on Canva, and it means you need a pro or paid account to use it. We want to focus on free elements, so we can click the sliders in the search bar to limit our search results to only free photos. When you find a photo you like, just click and drag it onto your document. In the menu above the artboard, you have some options to adjust your photo. You can crop it and apply filters and special effects to make the photo fit your design. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the circles on the corners and rotate it using the circle with the curved arrows in it at the bottom of the image. All the photos available in Canva are licensed with either a royalty-free license from a stock photo site or a Creative Commons Zero or public domain license. This means you can use them without worrying about having to pay a license or using someone else's work without permission. Icons are also super easy to add in Canva. Click the Elements button to open the Elements panel. This panel has so many options. You can add shapes, lines, photo frames, icons, and charts and graphs. Illustrations and icons will come in packs that you can browse through, or you can find illustrations by keyword using the search bar in the top of the panel. Once again, let's remove paid options from our results by clicking the sliders in the search bar. Click an element you like to add it to your document. Once you have added the illustration, you can resize it by dragging the circles on the corners of the bounding box or crop it just like a photo. You can also change the colors of your illustration by selecting it and selecting one of the color boxes in the menu bar. This will open a panel where you can select from Canva's default colors or choose a color based on what's already in the document. If you don't see a color you like, you can also click the new color rainbow and choose a color yourself. Let's also add a chart to our document. Charts are a great way to visually share data. Search for charts in the search bar or clear your previous search and open the charts collection. Select one of the graphs that appear at the top of the results. You can add your own data to these charts to make sure they give accurate information. Click the chart of your choice, the colors don't matter, so that it appears on your design. You can change the data in the panel that opens to the left. Simply click into the boxes and update your data labels and amounts. You can remove a category by deleting the amount, and you can add more categories by adding more amounts. When you're done, click the color icon to change the color scheme and resize the chart by clicking and dragging the circles on the corners of the bounding box. I like to add shapes to my design and layer icons over them. This is a great way to create depth and add visual interest to your design. Or you can use shapes to break up your page. Layering shapes can be a great way to separate the items on a listicle or infographic. My favorite way to add shapes is to search by the type of shape I want. You can also browse the shapes collection, but searching will show you icons that span the different collections. Use the position tool in the editing bar to move any of your elements forward and backward. When you're layering different elements, you might want to keep them together. Select all the elements you want to keep together by holding the Shift key and selecting each one. Then click Group in the menu bar. Now you can move all the pieces together as one.